Alright, so it's determine the total area under the standard normal curve to the left of z equals -2 or to the right of z equals +2. So they want you to find the area to the left of the negative number and to the right of the positive number and then add those two amounts together. You should be able to draw your standard normal curve, shade the area that is to be found. So pick the right graph that's shaded to the left of the negative and to the right of the positive. And then you want to do normal CDF. You're going to do two of them. So we'll run normal CDF once, get the answer, run it again, get a second answer, and add them together. So to the left of z equals -2 is this lower tail. Remember we say the tails go all the way to -infinity, which in the calculator we put -10 to the 99th power up to the -z-score. Z-scores are centered at 0. You'll see the mean in the middle is 0. And they have a standard deviation of 1. So you'll type that in the calculator. You'll get your answer. Give yourself at least 4 decimal places. It should be an answer between 0 and 1, so 0.1, 2, 3, and then round off that fourth number, whichever way it's supposed to round. So you'll get that answer. And then from on the upper tail, from 2 to positive infinity. So 2 to positive infinity. Again, centered at 0 with a standard deviation of 1. You're going to get another decimal. So again, round to 4 decimal places. And you'll add those two answers together. If you need more details on how to use normal CDF, you can refer to the Chapter 7 videos. Same idea with each part. So, oops, kind of jumped on me. There we go. So same idea on part B, to the left of the negative number, to the right of the positive number. So you're looking at your tails again. Your left tail goes to -infinity, your right tail goes to positive infinity. And so you'll do, I'm going to abbreviate this in CDF for normal CDF. The first one is from -10 to the 99 up to the -z-score, centered at 0 with a standard deviation of 1. You'll get a decimal, round to 4 places. And then a second normal CDF from positive infinity to the positive z-score, still centered at 0 with the standard deviation of 1. You'll get a second 4-digit decimal answer, and you'll add those two answers together for the total area under the shaded regions of that curve. It's the same idea for part C, to the left of the negative, to the right of the positive. So it's just practicing using normal CDF, centered at 0 with the standard deviation of 1.